This is your reminder. Put your feet to the ground, to the grass, to the sand, to the rocks. Touch it, feel it, connect it. We're so surrounded by concrete, by man-made stuff, which it doesn't allow our body, our energies to release, to absorb the mother's energy, because Mother Earth, it is the mother on the end of the day. It's here as a mother to nurture us. Allow yourself 5 minutes every day, if it's all possible, to connect to the Mother Nature. Put your feet to the ground. Sit down, inhale and exhale. Connect to your heart. It is absolutely must, and this is what I do every single morning. I come outside, I look at my garden and walk. It is Australia, so it's super dry. It's summertime. But connecting to my garden, to my plants, look at them up, smell them. This is sage at the moment, tarragon down on the bottom, basil, lemons. And just connecting and gazing to the greenery, gazing to the nature, and connecting to it. So try that today, and maybe take your journal, maybe take your diary, and contemplate. Contemplate your life, contemplate your changes, contemplate what would you like to have, what needs to change within you, not circumstantially outside of you, but within you. What needs to change? You need to change to believe that everything is possible for you, because it is. And maybe it will take some time for that to grow, which is like a seed when we plant it. We don't have a lemon tree or sage next day or in a week time. It takes a time. It takes time. Allow yourself to nurture yourself in the process.